I want something that's self-sufficient and can maintain itself and does not need a lot of attention. And I'm hoping these hostas do the trick, because I'm not going to be coming back here in this corner too tough, because this is where I saw my very first, no, second snake. And this snake was like 6 feet long when we first moved into this house. So I don't really fool with this area back here. Hi everyone. So today I wanted to do a quick video because I am off today. It's cloudy today, so I thought it would be a perfect time to plant these hostas. And one reason I'm going to try to get them in the ground is because if you remember a previous video, my husband literally burnt all of this, and everything is like starting to come back. It's like he hasn't even touched it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the hostas. These are just 5 that I'm going to put in the ground. But if you remember from my plant haul, I have about 3, maybe like 8 more to find out where I'm going to put them at. But these are going right here. These were some of my clearance plants, and I want to go over it real quick. Hostas really are a shade plant or morning sun plant. These right here, these are 2 different varieties. This one is the blue, and I'm reading through my phone, blue and angel plantain lily. This one gets about 3 to 4 feet in height and width. That's why I'm putting these in the back. We have 3 of those. So these are going to be tall in the back, and the mosquitoes have not stopped. I think they've actually gotten worse. And then we also have this August moon plantain lily. Both of these are 1 to 3 hours of morning sun, but these get about 30 inches high, 30 inches width. So what I'm thinking in my head is I put these in the back. This will give us some height, and they're more of a darker bluer tone. And these right here, I'm going to put them in the front. I don't have but 2. I think that's all they had, but it's going to give us a lighter color, if you could see it through, kind of like a lime green color. I thought, let's put those together and see how they look as they grow. So what I've done here is I went ahead, because I'm not sure about all the different zones, I turned on my sprinklers just to make sure where I'm planting them at, it will still get water. And if you can see the water on the fence, it will get water in this area. So this I'm going to plant, and I'm going to actually lay cardboard down to try to suppress some of these weeds and maybe put some mulch on top. But this is just a portion of it. I still have more hostas to plant, but I wanted to put them here because most of our yard gets full hot coastal sun. I'm going to pan up. We're surrounded by a lot of trees in the back, so I'm thinking maybe that'll help it out a little bit. I've been watching this area, and it does get morning sun, but it doesn't get that hot sun like over in my flower and vegetable garden. So let me go ahead. I'm going to get everything dug, put in the ground, and I'm going to put the cardboard on, and we'll see how it looks. Like I said, I still have some more that I'm thinking I could plant maybe along this area right here, and it will still be okay as far as the morning sun. But we'll see. That's what it's all about. These were clearance plants. As you can see, the smaller ones were $1, and then the bigger ones in the back were $3. I couldn't beat that. And I also have some more on the other side that I'm planting by my flower and vegetable garden that are nice too. They're a different variety. Once I get ready to plant those, we'll definitely keep you posted, or either take you on a garden tour. So let me go ahead, because you all know that it gets dark now, and so I think I have probably about 45 minutes before it starts to get dark, but I'll come back when everything is planted. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to pop back in because I'm losing light by the second. But let me just tell y'all, I have had my workout on these 3 hostas right here. I know we got a big tree right here, but when I tell y'all some tree roots that I have been battling, I had to go get these right here and cut them, move them. So I'm hoping that these hostas will survive. One thing that I did, or two things that I did notice, is it's a bunch of earthworms in this soil, which is good. But I guess the previous owners must have had like rocks in this area, and so it's like they turned over the rocks in the soil. And I'm talking about like decorative rocks, you know, like if you have a border or something like that. And then also, let's talk about these mosquitoes, y'all. It is cooling down. Why are these mosquitoes bigger and badder than they were in the summer? Like, I have on long sleeves right now, long pants, tennis shoes, socks, and they are biting me through my clothes. But like I said, if I lose time, I'll come back tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get these other two right here planted, but these tree roots right now are a beast. And then, like I said, once I get done, I'm gonna lay it with cardboard. Oh, that's what I had to tell you guys real quick. When I plant in the fall, I do not add any fertilizer to my planting hole or in the soil, because what I want them to do right now is go ahead and get good root establishment, and these were really root bound. I had to use my little tool right here and break up those roots. They really were circling. That's why I'm hoping they'll survive. I'll keep an eye on them. So let me go ahead and try to plant these other two, and hopefully it won't be dark by then. But if it is, I'll make sure I come back first thing in the morning, because I want to go ahead and get these planted. I felt so bad when I saw how root bound these flowers were, these plants. So I know that the other hostas that we have to plant are just the same. Okay, so the night definitely caught up with me. This is the next day. I did get everything planted. I got everything watered in. So all I'm going to do now is go ahead and cover this area up with cardboard that I save when I get boxes in the mail. So hopefully that'll help with some weed suppression. And then I'm trying to figure out if I just want to put some type of mulch on top. It's so many trees, and I know the leaves are going to be falling, but I'll see. But the first thing I definitely want to do is get some of the cardboard down, and then I also want to get the others planted, which they'll probably be somewhere in here. So this is probably end up being our little hosta patch right here. Okay, so this is our final results of the hostas that we initially planted it. I went ahead and put cardboard down as well as the landscape fabric, because like I said, I want this area to pretty much be self-sufficient, where I don't have to do a whole bunch of maintenance on it. And the other hostas that I had, due to the fact that I really had to watch the sun requirements for it and not put it with too much sun, I just went ahead and planted them along the fence line. So that way the trees up here can kind of protect it from getting too much sun. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.